This video, I will show you most powerful tool which is recently been introduced to analyze, summarize, and create the stuff which you want to do. Let's introduce Claude AI. Very first thing, you go to the web and search Claude AI, press enter, and you can see this sign, Claude sign in. It's super easy to create the login. So I have already logged in. So if you haven't made the login, I suggest you to create the login and then it's just the email and create the login from that email. Once you made the login, it will show you like this. So I already have a name here. So it's showing Happy Saturday. And then on the left hand side, you can see there's a new chat, chats, project, artifact. So we'll see one by one on that. And first one, if I just click on this one, new chat is showing here at the bottom is also showing the different options, which is the write, learn, code, live stuff, cloud choice. So you can create the codes for your website and apps as well. So if I just type simple question, top five historical cities of Italy. So if I just hit this one and it will start thinking, it has the most analytical power than the other AI tools, and it will give you the information along with visual as well. So it will make your answer more attractive and stuff. You can see now it start giving me the answer along with the visuals, and that's amazing. So there are different models here. You can see now. It's Sonnet 4.6. There are other more models as well on the side, but it link with the upgrade. So free one is this one. So I suggest you to use free one first. Again, on the left hand side, there's a chats option here. This is sidebar. You can either minimize a click on this one or expand it with this one. So it will show your historical chat if you want to search your historical chats. And next one is project. If you have any project, it will show here, or you can create a new project. If click on new project and asking what you working on. For example, I'm working on interviews, and you can just hit the project create. What you're trying to achieve. So shortlist the candidate, create project, and all the interview related project stuff will be on this side. So I can ask anything here, for example, top five interview questions or something else. And this my project has been created. So if I go to the chats, I go to project again, you can see now it's showing my this project. So all this stuff, all the material related to the interview project will be here. Next one is artifacts. Artifacts is, for example, I created this one recently. You can create codes, the websites, website code, apps code, and all your data here. So you can see all those visuals. There is a code behind that visual. You can see now. So this is really powerful tool for creating even codes as well. So this customization tab, if you click on this one, it will open the customization, connect your app, create new skill, browse plugin. And if I just go back here and if I go to the chats and if I go to the new chat, expand this sidebar. So this is plus button here. You can add files or photos from here. So you can just add file or any photo. And for example, this one, click this one and I ask the right prompt for this image. Hit OK and it will start creating the prompt from this image. So I can upload anything. I can upload image, I can any document to analyze or anything else as well. Another option within the plus is the add plugins, add connectors. If I click this one, so you can connect the different apps, for example, Canva, your Gmail as well. So this is that option. And on the left hand side or the bottom side, if you click this one, open the settings. So it will show your profile with your name, with your account, privacy, billing. I'm using the free one, so it's giving option to upgrade to Pro. Yeah, so this was the very basic introduction of Claude AI. I suggest you use the Claude AI. It's a very powerful tool for analyzing, creating summaries, summarizing the stuff, and writing codes as well. ChatGPT is good as well. However, this is the recently introduced a new version of the analytical AI tool. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.